Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Trey Speck, and for today's video we are giving the Honda Civic Type R the needed modification of having it lowered. We are going to be installing it with Eibach Sportline Springs, and we're just pretty much going to go ahead and give you some clips of me and my buddy Adam, mostly Adam, doing the installation for the Civic Type R. Let's get into it. So we already got it up in the air, and we're actually about to go ahead and get started. Alright, so for the sport lines, they're supposed to be about 1 inch drop all around. Probably when it settles, it might be more of like a 1.2. But these are progressive springs, which is the main reason why I got them. So let's go ahead and get started. I feel like it's about to be pretty quick. You're going fast as hell.
You were like, the only thing you have experience is your brother. He's
no.
Like, oh, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, we're not done yet.
Dude, did he tell you about that?
Yeah.
Bro, so like it took him like, what, like 6-7 hours? And I was like, I'm not trying to do like 6 or 7 hours of, you know, just wrenching it out, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, I got to worry about it.
So.
If it was 6 or 7 hours, I'll tell you to go home.
That's true. Yeah, that's true. He's like, nah, fuck it. I gotta go to work tomorrow.
Home, bro. Just leave me here. I'll be okay.
Wait, how am I get home though?
Take my car.
Oh, okay. That's pretty good.
I could convert you from a Honda boy to a BMW guy.
Dude, don't even get me started with that, because I was so close to getting the M340. the only reason I didn't get an M340 because I was like M340 and what is it, F87 M2?
Yeah.
But I was just like, damn, it's a 2016 for like 40 though.
Yeah, it's a lot of money.
That's the only issue I had, because I was like,
a lot of money, bro.
yeah. So I literally got this for 36.
Yeah.
So I think that's a pretty.
It'll be more fun.
Yeah, that too. Yeah. Cause like I don't have to really like worry about like too much of like maintenance and stuff, because like it's still a Honda at the end of the day.
Well, like, and you said you haven't wrenched before.
Yeah.
Like you're starting to wrench.
Yeah.
So like it's a better learner car
than a BMW, right?
Yeah, I mean, there's more stuff, more expensive stuff to break, but I mean, it's not that bad.
Yeah, because I was even looking at parts, comparing the Type R to like any BMW really, and I was like, yeah, there's no way I'm paying the M tax.
Pretty sure I have the tools for this too.
Dude, you got the tool for everything. I gotta give him a tour, because that's crazy. You got like a fucking, like, how many, like 5 boxes over there?
No, it's not. It's 2 boxes.
I mean, they two big boxes.
This is the US General. All right. This is like the daily tools for oil changes and stuff. You know, the basics.
Damn,
extensions and stuff.
It might as well be a mechanic shop, bro.
Snap on.
Jeez.
Yeah, so I gotta separate
the dampener.
Not the dampener.
The module. The module.
No, like the knuckle.
Oh, okay.
Like, cause the
strut
sits in it.
Yeah.
And it's pressured like this.
Okay.
So you gotta like twist it to spread it open.
Yeah. Oh damn, that's gonna be a pain in the ass, huh?
Huh?
That's gonna be a pain in the ass, huh?
That's not that bad.
It seems like it. Holy shit.
It's not that bad. This guy said this you're supposed to grab it with this?
Bro, I have no fucking clue. Let me get where's the instructions at, bro?
You're supposed to go.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. I looked at it.
You supposed to go. No, I don't got it.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me grab the instructions real quick, bro. Let me see.
This is gonna be really hard.
Dog, I know. I was like, "Are you sure?" He's like, "Yeah, man. Don't worry. Like, this is the perfect one."
All AutoZoners.
Bro, yeah, I don't know, man. That was kind of. I was like, "Really? You want me to use this weird ass looking one?" I should have just fucking told him no. Fuck that. Alright. What the fuck are these instructions, bro?
Yeah, thanks.
We could just do it the getaway.
In any shape or form, how would you? I've never used one of these like for this specifically.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Let's just do it. We could just do it your way, honestly, because it's just like
The getaway.
We could do the getaway. However you want to do it. We could do it outside.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
You got a concrete building and a concrete building.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, well, I feel like as long as that shit don't pop up all the way in the air.
No, you'd be alright.
I mean, oh, we gotta run, you know. Damn, this shit about to be low as fuck. Oh my god. Sheesh. Oh, damn. Damn. That shit look, oh my god. Wow. That's fucking nasty. Yeah, I definitely need the spacers out.
Yeah, for sure.
Woo. Oh my god. Damn. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty even too on both sides. Damn. That's like a what?
You could probably go even front and back. I don't know if they do square normally
Yeah,
for these cars.
they do.
You can do square.
Yeah.
It's about the same space as front rear.
Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Yeah.
Torque the wheels real quick.
Okay. Fuck. Dude, I wonder how it's gonna perform. Like how the steering's gonna feel. Yeah.
We'll drive it for a few days and then obviously we'll get alignment.
Yeah. I'll probably get an alignment like next week,
Yeah, that's fine.
just to give it some time. Damn, dude. I don't even recognize the car anymore. All right, so I'm probably going to be doing a POV drive pretty soon. Probably going back into the canyon and just really comparing, you know, how the car feels stock versus with the Eibach Springs on it. All right, guys, so this is pretty much what the car is looking like right now. It's been about a couple of days or so since I've actually had the car lowered. So I've driven about maybe 100 or so miles just to work. So pretty much my initial thoughts in terms of the springs is that, number one, it is a progressive spring, so the ride quality is not too bad. Obviously it's a lowered car, so it is going to be a little bit more harsher. I do notice a little bit more of just a little bit of bounciness, but nothing too drastic for me. I do really like these springs, and to be honest, it drives pretty good in my opinion. Now, one thing that I was kind of nervous about was, am I going to be scraping and am I going to be having to like go sideways in driveways? So the car is not that low in terms of having to do all that. I do know that for certain bumps, I do have to angle it just a little bit. And it's only been in one area so far, but overall, I mean, there's nothing that really stands out in terms of it being super just harsh and me not wanting to actually drive the car because of how harsh it is. So these are all just things that I currently have right now. These are all my initial thoughts on the actual springs, but I probably will make a in-depth video just reviewing the springs probably. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, please make sure you guys go ahead and give it a like and comment down below what you guys think my next modification is going to be. Currently looking at it, it's definitely going to be an interior modification, so go ahead and drop it down below. See you guys next time. Peace.